Chris here. Going to do a little differently today. We're doing a screen capture. So here is our banner from last year. Use Adobe Photoshop. We're using an older version, CS3, but hey, it still works great. And the beauty of Photoshop is obviously you'll export things in PNG format or JPEG, just common formats for the internet, for printing, whatnot. But your PSD or Photoshop document lets you have different layers. So I'm going to go in here, and our font was a little small last year. So first I'm just going to up the font size a little bit. You see we had a couple different sizes going, so make that not that big. 40. That wasn't actually consistent, so that was a little weird. Make that 40. And I'm going to make that 64. It's a little better. Now I'm going to go in and fix the dates because this year the dates are different. The dates look a little funny because our fonts here didn't have good numbers. Well, any numbers. So I'll try a different font here in just a moment. So that looks better except for the goofiness there. Let's see. So, no, that's ugly. You want it easy to read, but you also want it to look cool. So I got one called Asylum. Nah, that's a little hard to read and odd. Dead Kansas, do I have that on here? It's not bad. Yeah, it's not half bad. I just need to change the spacing a little bit to make that work right. Again, the beauty of Photoshop, you can move things around with ease. Move the pumpkin a little bit. I'm using a slightly older laptop, so that's why you're seeing a loading circle when I move things. It still gets the job done. Oop, wrong layer. That is not bad. So I'm going to save my changes. Now I'm going to save it as, and this is where I make it Facebook banner 2018. And I'll make it a PNG file. Personal preference, really JPEG works fine. I just like that I can interlace it so it loads a little faster. Saving, 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 and going to Facebook. So I'm going to edit my picture here. Upload new. And Facebook banner 2018. There we go. Perfect.